Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 10 students and the topic of discussion is probability. You would have always thought of the word chance. You would have used this word quite often. And for example, like what is the chance of winning a lottery? What is the chance of raining tomorrow? In mathematical terms, we try to quantify the word chance. It is termed as probability. We are quantifying it, like how much is the chance of raining tomorrow, or how much is the chance of winning a lottery. So we define the probability as P for an event E as number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So probability of an event which is surely to happen will be 1. Can you guess some events which are sure? Yes, for example, sun will rise in east. This is a sure event. So its probability is 1. Probability of certain events will be 0 if they are not likely to occur at all. In general, probability values varies from 0 to 1, both inclusive. Probability values for events can never be negative. So if you are getting some negative number, please check your calculations, friends. Now let us try to explain the concept through an example. Let there be 2 red and 3 green balls in a bag. Now we want to find the probability of drawing a red ball. So we write it as like that. P of the event E equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. There are 5 balls in the bag. So total number of outcomes is 5. And the favorable outcomes is for red ball it is 2. So P of red balls is 2 by 5. So we got the answer, but let us try to extend this and try to understand some basic concepts in probability. Let us find P of green. So P of green is 3 by 5. There are 3 favorable outcomes, so 3 green balls in the bag and total are 5. So probability of drawing a green ball is 3 by 5. Now let us try to add these two. What does it say? So P of red plus P of green will be 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5, which is 5 by 5, which is equal to 1. So that is for a sure event. So what does it say? That if we are trying to draw a ball, we are sure that it will be either a red or a green. So all the probabilities of the elementary computations or elementary events will be 1. Now we define another concept as not of event, that is called P not red. We want to find probability of not drawing a red ball. So how do we know the probability of drawing a red ball is 2 by 5. So probability of not drawing a red ball is 1 minus P of drawing a red ball. So let us see, 1 minus 2 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. So it tells the probability of not drawing a red ball is 3 by 5. What does it mean? What is 3 by 5 is green ball. So logically it looks correct that if you are not drawing a red ball, we are drawing a green ball. So it can be written like this. So in general we write like this. P of not T is equal to, we define, put a bar over the event E. So it means this is P of not E. So this is equal to 1 minus P of E. This is a standard notation, so you have to remember this, friends. Let us take a practice problem. We want to find the probability of having at least one girl child in a family of 2 children. So let us find all possible outcomes. That first can be a boy, second can be a boy. First can be a boy, second can be a girl. Another case, first can be a girl, second can be a boy, or both can be girl. What are the favorable outcomes? We want at least one girl child in a family. So it can be one girl child or 2 girl child also. So we can see there are 3 cases from these 4. So we want to find P of E equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes is 3 by 4. Here some students argue that whether BG or GB, is there a difference, because in a family either boy girl or girl boy doesn't make difference. No, in calculation it does make a difference. So you have to put it separately. Even if boy girl combination is same, the first one can be a boy, second can be a girl, and first one could be a girl and second is a boy, are two different things. So you must include both in your computation. Another way of doing this could be, we want to find at least one girl child. So we can find probability of no girl child, which is 1 by 4, friend, like two boys, no girl child is there. So probability of no girl child is 1 by 4. So probability of at least one girl child will be 1 minus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. So you can use not concept also. Let us take another problem. If the number x is chosen from the numbers 1, 2, 3, we have a set of numbers 1, 2, 3, we want to choose a number x from that. And another number y is selected from this set 1, 4, 9. We want to find the probability that xy is less than 9. Now let us find all possible outcomes. Let us take 1, the first number 1 from this set, and we multiply with all from the second set. So we'll get 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 4, 4, 1 into 9, 9. So we got 3 combination. Next we take second number from the first set and multiply all in the second. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 9, 18. Further we take the third number, which is 3, and multiply all 3. So 3, 12, 27. So how many we got? 3, 9, total 9 numbers we got as the combination. When we multiply these 3 with these 3, with taking all combination, total 9 numbers we have got. So what are the favorable outcomes that we need to find? The condition is xy should be less than 9. So 9 number should not be included. It is less than 9. If they would have given xy less than or equal to 9, then you should include. Now you should not include. So what are the favorable outcomes? 1, 4, 2, 3 and 8 also. So 1, 4, 2, 8, 3. These are the favorable outcomes which satisfy this condition. So there are 5 such numbers and total there are 9 such combinations. So probability of this event will be 5 by 9. Let us take another problem. There are 20 cards numbered from 1 to 20 and we are choosing one card at random. Then what is the probability that the number of card drawn is an odd prime number? Friend, you may recollect prime numbers have factors 1 and themselves, and the smallest prime and the only even prime number is number 2. So we don't want to include that. We want only odd prime number. So we'll start from 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Only these prime numbers are there. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Total numbers are 20. Favorable outcome 7. So probability of E, which is the probability that the number of the card drawn is an odd prime number, will be 7 by 20. Let us take a very interesting problem now. We have a rectangle here and a circular region there. The size of the rectangle is 4 by 2 meters and the radius of circle is 1 meter. Now we are throwing a dart at random on the rectangle. We are throwing a dart here. We want to know what is the probability that it will land inside the circle. So that is the problem. Now we have to move like this. We have to first find the favorable area. Where we want to get it landed, we want to get it landed in the circle. So that is the favorable area. Then we want to find the total area. That will give the probability of this event. So what is the favorable area? Area of circle is pi r square. And what is the radius, friends? Radius is 1 meter. So that we have written as favorable area is pi into 1 square. Now you want to find total area. Total area is 2 into 4 friends. So that will be 8. So probability that the dart will land in this favorable area will be pi by 8, which is equal to 0.39. With this friends, we conclude this chapter. I request you to subscribe my video and give a thumbs up to all my videos. This will motivate me to make more such good videos for you. Thank you very much friends.